Welcome to our exploration of the Industrial Revolution, a monumental period that transformed our world forever. Beginning in the late 18th century in Britain, the Industrial Revolution marked a shift from agrarian economies to industrial powerhouses. Key innovations like the steam engine and mechanized looms revolutionized production. This shift created jobs, leading to urbanization as people flocked to cities for work. However, it also brought challenges, such as poor working conditions and child labor. Transportation underwent a dramatic change. The introduction of railways and steamships made trade faster and more efficient, connecting markets like never before. Socially, the Industrial Revolution sparked movements for workers' rights, paving the way for labor laws and improved living conditions. It also fueled advancements in science and technology, leading to innovations we still rely on today. The legacy of the Industrial Revolution is profound. It laid the foundation for the modern economy, influenced global trade, and reshaped our lifestyles. From urban landscapes to technological advancements, the Industrial Revolution truly changed the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more about history with us.